to our channel. Today, Mr. President press conference is underway. Today, they have put all the policemen on duty. Police started have to catching as many fraud peoples as possible.
Today, I announcing that we are catching fraud peoples. In the days to come, fraudness will be over. Thank you so much.
Thanks for watching.
Hey Rocky. Had fun. Let's go with me in hotel. But I'm not hungry. Let's go. What do you want to eat? Anything. Hello, anyone here? Yes, sir. What is your order? 1 roast chicken, 2 kilograms fish, beef korma, 1 plate biryani, or 1 plate kheer, ice cream bowl, 2 cup tea. And something. There is less hunger today. Had fun. Okay, man. Pay the bill, sir. Pay the bill.
Hey, Rocky. Hey, hands up. Let's go.